Speed feels productive. Slowness creates precision. Moving fast feels efficient, but slowing down is what actually improves results. Most people equate speed with progress, faster decisions, quicker responses, immediate actions. Speed feels productive, but speed without clarity creates correction, and correction costs energy. Slowing down is not hesitation, it is refinement. In the inner ledger, effectiveness is measured by accuracy, not urgency. When you slow down internally, you widen awareness. You notice details you would have missed. You hear signals you would have ignored. You avoid decisions that would require cleanup later. This is why rushed action often creates more work. Problems resurface. Misunderstandings multiply. Energy drains. Slowness does the opposite. Slowness creates precision. You choose fewer actions, but each action carries more weight. This is not about delaying everything. It is about removing unnecessary speed. Think of sharpening a blade. Rushing dulls it. Slow pressure restores edge. Slowing down also regulates the nervous system. When internal speed decreases, the body exits survival mode. Breath deepens, thoughts organize. From this state, action is cleaner. You don't need to do less forever. You need to slow down long enough to see what actually matters. Then speed returns naturally, but guided, not forced. If you feel behind right now, resist the urge to rush. Pause. Ask, what would improve if I slowed this down? What mistake would patience prevent? Slowness is not loss, it is leverage. That is how the inner ledger stays balanced.